Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie, I'm your friendly skincare fanatic. So if you're skincare obsessed like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on my first microneedling treatment. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Apologies for my voice. I completely lost my voice last week. I think I had laryngitis, which is why this video is late. I had planned to film and do all my editing last week, but I couldn't because my voice was completely gone and it's still a little bit croaky. Sounds like I've either had no sleep or I've had lots of cigarettes and alcohol. So I hope the croakiness isn't going to be too off-putting today. I'm going to save my voice and go straight into the video, which is kind of like a vlog style. But if any of you are considering this treatment, then this is a video to watch. Good morning, it is Thursday and I'm just about to head to Kingston to get my first Dermapen treatment. So Dermapen is basically microneedling, but instead of rolling the needles over your face, it's in the form of a pen, so therefore it's better for penetrating the skin without kind of tearing the skin. I'm quite nervous because I've obviously googled everything about Dermapen, but they put a numbing cream on first and then the procedure would take place. So I'm going to take you along with me today. Those of you who are considering getting this treatment done might be interested in this video. So I've got no makeup on today. I'm just going to put a little bit of SPF on now and then I'm going to make a coffee and then I'm going to go. Okay, I'm just about to set off. I'm going to save the battery and then I'll film once I'm in the clinic. So I'll see you soon. I've had a puncture, would you believe it? My appointment is at 12, but at 12 they were going to apply the numbing cream before the Dermapen procedure, and then my procedure is at 1:45. So I'm now not getting the numbing cream, which I don't know if this whole thing is like a sign, but anyway. I'm not wearing any makeup now, but I'm very hot. I don't know if that will get in the way. After today, am I literally having it and then going?
Yeah. Yes.
So will you put some SPF on my face?
I would put the hyaluronic acid and SPF for you.
Yeah? So it might be a bit red today.
It will be red.
Very red or?
Very red, like sunburn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, is that what the numbing cream?
Feels hot as sunburn as well.
Does the numbing cream stop the red?
No, it doesn't. It's so good. Numbing cream only numb the face so you don't feel the pain.
Okay. I'm so nervous.
Gentle cleansing.
Does it take about a week to like calm down the redness?
About 5 days.
Okay. And will it bleed?
It can be pinpoint, like a pinch bleeding,
right.
But it's going to calm down straight after the procedure.
Okay.
It will not be bleeding for long, just for a few minutes maybe.
Okay. And what is the aftercare then for microneedling?
Obviously the hyaluronic acid.
Hyaluronic acid?
Yes.
But at home?
Yes.
Is this something I
for
can
like
buy?
5 days.
Right.
Use just the hyaluronic acid. Don't use any chemical on the face.
No.
Just the natural hyaluronic. And then you're gonna use the SPF.
Yeah.
So after like 3 days, you can start using your normal routine.
So for the first 3 days, just hyaluronic acid? No moisturiser?
I would say no, because it's going to sting if you use it, because they do have some chemicals.
Right, okay. So what is it about the hyaluronic acid? Because I know hyaluronic acid is a humectant, it attracts water.
Yes.
So
it's basically the water of the skin. So using one drop of good hyaluronic, the 100% natural one, the one which I'm using, gives you 8 glasses of water hydration.
Wow.
It's basically all about hydration. So anything you apply on the top will be absorbed and stay there for longer. It helps to regenerate the cell. It helps to bring your collagen, activate every cells to build new layer of the skin. Sorry, you're going to feel more on the forehead.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it just feels like scratch.
Yeah.
Is that as bad as it gets?
Sorry?
Is that as bad as it gets on the forehead?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
The forehead is always the worst.
Uh-huh.
We're nearly done.
I'm holding my breath.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay though, it's not as bad as I thought. Okay, that's a bit painful. It's okay though. I could take
it. Feels very weird on the nose.
It feels like I want to sneeze.
Yeah, exactly.
So do people normally have this done and then a relaxing facial after? Can you do that?
We can't, no.
It's too sensitive.
Yes, we have to wait for at least 2 weeks for any other treatment. It's the best treatment for the skin because it's all in one.
Yeah.
So it's good for acne scarring, it's good for wrinkles.
That's what I want it for.
Taking the dead skin off and building new cells.
So
giving you like a baby skin.
Yeah. I think I've got a little tear.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So how many treatments of Dermapen do you recommend having, and sort of how far split between?
So you can do it once a month.
Okay.
The cycle of the cells is 28 days. So you can do it every 28 days. And then depends like how much you need on your skin, because every skin is very different.
Right.
So if you're doing it for scars, you will be doing it maybe like if they're very deep and old scar, you might be doing like 6 sessions. But if you're doing just like for you don't have any scars or acne or any wrinkles. So you can just do maintenance. So whenever you need like once in 2 months time just to get a good glow.
Yeah, it's mainly my eye area that I've noticed wrinkles. But wow, I'm red. Feels gonna get a shock. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. My battery annoyingly ran out just as I'd finished, so that last clip you can see how red and raw my skin was. It felt like I had been on holiday and got really badly burnt. So it's really important that if you do get Dermapen, microneedling, any of that type of treatment, that you really use a good SPF. Part of the aftercare treatment when you get Dermapen or microneedling done, and this is what they advised me, is that you should only use hyaluronic acid and a moisturiser SPF. So I looked into buying the 2 brands that they suggested. One of them was Dermaquest and another one I couldn't remember. It's like Dr. Schroeder or something like that. They were between £58 and £69. I saw that they were selling the Dermaquest Essential Kit. We did this, which is the Dermaquest hyaluronic acid. This is what you should use on your skin, is a high concentration of hyaluronic acid. But I just thought I'm going to buy the kit, which is £79, and then you get the essential cleanser. Okay, and that is 30ml, I think, 60ml. This is the essential moisturiser, and that's 30ml. And you also get the SPF. So this is a pure zinc oxide sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30. So I just thought I'd like to try Dermaquest. It's got the serum that I needed to use, and instead of paying, I think it was about 58 quid for 50ml, 75ml, something like that, I paid 79, and I can try all of these. And so far so good, I'm really enjoying using them, but that's another video. Just for the purpose of microneedling, you need to use the hyaluronic acid purely for hydration, and it locks that moisture in. So it's a fantastic ingredient to use after getting a invasive treatment such as microneedling. So that's what I used just with the SPF for the first 3 days. I literally didn't wash my face all day and all evening. That the day that I got it done, she advised use the hyaluronic acid and straight into SPF. So that I did that for the last 3 days. The night after, I used the mask that she gave me. That was quite fiddly to use, but it felt beautiful. It felt so relaxing and cooling because it's kind of like a gel mask, and that had a lot of the hyaluronic acid and other ingredients, which I'll just explain there. And so yeah, so now I'll just show you quickly what my skin was like immediately after, and then 1 week after, and then 2 weeks after, and then this is my skin as of today. So I am wearing makeup, but it's looking pretty good. I've had hardly any sleep the last couple of nights. I've had this cough. It's kept me up of a night, but my skin is looking pretty good. And yeah, I have another treatment I'm going to get that in August. And then I will see after that if I think this is something that I want to do on a regular basis. What would I advise you? Okay, so whether or not you want to have the numbing cream on before. They advised me that the numbing cream can get in the way of the effectiveness of the Dermapen, but it's just entirely up to you in terms of what your pain threshold is. I found it painful, especially on my forehead and on my nose. It felt like a real deep scratch, and I just wanted to itch my nose, and I was quite pleased when it finished. It's not an enjoyable experience, I'm being honest with you. I didn't enjoy it really, but I'm all for the collagen production, which I'm hoping I'm still kind of seeing at the moment. So unlike a hydrofacial or a facial of any kind, that you get an instant result with those kind of facials. So you might have dermaplaning, where they get rid of that fuzzy peach and the dead skin, and you've got an instant glow. With all the products and the massaging that you use, you walk away and you feel amazing because you're glowing and you've had this relaxing treatment. The results come later on with Dermapen and microneedling. So right up to about 4 weeks, I've read, you can start to see results. So just bear that in mind. I don't know why, for some reason I thought I'd walk away with, yes, red skin, but a glow, and I didn't. It was just red, and it is a treatment. It's not a facial, it's a treatment. There's no relaxing. You go in there. If you apply the numbing cream, you arrive half an hour before. They apply the numbing cream, and you need to let that work for about 15 minutes. Now, because I missed my appointment for that because of my puncture, so I just went straight into the Dermapen treatment. And actually you can see on the pictures just how like sensitive it is there, because there was like a big line on both of my eyes. So there we have it. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I'm so sorry about my voice. Hopefully next week it will all be back to normal. And if you have any questions about the treatment, please get in contact in the comments below. Or if you've had the treatment and you've got any further advice, then let me know, because we're all part of the same community. We all love skincare and skin treatments, and we're all trying to find our inner and outer beauty. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.